accounts. Online classes. Online coaching available for accountancy and tally for students and businessmen. And who are interested in commerce, you can join this class and you can learn more in commerce. Only nominal fees. Contact Telegram or WhatsApp. Thank you. Jayam Accounts. Welcome back to our GST multiple choice question. Question number 41. ITC of SGST can be utilized for payment of option A only CGST, option B only SGST, option C first CGST and then IGST, option D first SGST and then IGST. The correct answer is option D, first SGST and then IGST. Question number 42. ITC of IGST can be utilized for payment of option A only CGST, option B only SGST, option C only CGST and SGST, option D first IGST, then CGST and SGST in any order. The correct answer is option D, first IGST, then CGST and SGST in any order. Question number 43. For purposes of GST law, the territory of India shall be taken to cover up following. Option A, sea area up to 12 nautical miles from baseline. Option B, sea area up to 200 nautical miles from baseline. Option C, airspace above its territory and territorial waters. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 44. Which of the following type of GST is payable on all interstate supply of goods and or services? Option A, state GST, SGST. Option B, state GST, SGST and integrated GST, IGST. Option C, central GST, CGST and integrated GST, IGST. Option D, integrated GST, IGST. The correct answer is option D, integrated GST, IGST. Question number 45. Which of the following is not the role of GSTN in GST regime? Option A, facilitating registration, forwarding return to central and state authorities. Option B, computation and settlement of IGST, matching tax payment details with banking network. Option C, providing platform for litigation. Option D, providing various MIS reports to central and state governments, providing analysis on taxpayers' profile, running the matching engine, reversal and reclaim of input tax credit. The correct answer is option C, providing platform for litigation. Thank you.